Welcome to Wild San Francisco Parrots and Ocean View Airbnb, your place for relaxation after a long day exploring the city. Start your morning with a visit from the cherry-headed conures, also known as the wild parrots of San Francisco.
Do you often find that the world can be done with someone like you? Now I don't know what I should do, 'cause all of the things that were happening because of you. So you can
1 block away, you'll find Golden Gate Heights Park, a nice place for picnicking. Here you can watch the fog roll in through the trees for a mystical and magical feel of the city. When coming to Northern California, 3 trees come to mind: eucalyptus, cypress, and redwoods, and this park showcases them all. There's also tennis courts, hiking paths, and a playground. The house is only blocks away from one of the 6 secret stairways of San Francisco, the 16th Avenue tiled steps.
'Cause our God has son, looks like he's done with you. I don't know how. And now it seems like all that's left for me is a broken heart and a light.
When you get to the house, enter the code on the keypad and the door will unlock for you. It does not relock automatically, so lock it once you're inside. When leaving, pull the door toward you to ensure it locks securely. A green check mark will show that it's locked, and a red X means that it did not latch properly. As with many San Francisco homes, the house is on the 2nd level when you come in.
Just don't go away.
A small remote on the mantle will turn on the candles inside the fireplace. The remote for the TV is on this little table under the mirror. Feel free to read my best-selling memoir, Wildflower, A Tale of Transcendence. If you happen to take it with you, then please let me know so I can replace it. And in that case, I'd ask you to please also leave me a review on Amazon and Goodreads. This futon folds out into a full-sized bed.
There's a point unless it ends. 'Cause if it didn't, we'd be
Down the hall are the 2 bedrooms.
nothing.
This room is the master bedroom with a king-size bed,
Pretend
a flat-screen television, and a basket of warm blankets.
life look ahead. The world is ending for all we know. If this is bad, I suppose.
There's also a walk-in closet with a full-sized mirror.
There's nothing left for within to show. Everything comes and goes. Maybe I should start thinking like
The other bedroom has a queen-size bed and a collection of tribal masks from around the world.
it's beyond what I can say. Maybe I should just go outside and play. Oh, it doesn't matter what I do. Oh, how lucky I remain.
The closet in the hallway has all the bedding for the futon in the living room, as well as some extra warm blankets.
Don't give up. There's nothing left for within to show. everything comes and goes. Oh, I just wanna know.
In the dining room, feel free to browse through one of our many travel books, and maybe you'll come up with an idea for your next trip.
I just wanna know. No. The world is ending for all we know. This is bad, I suppose. How'd you make the world look so blue?
The pots and pans are in this cabinet right here next to the sink.
The world can't be done with someone like you. Now I don't know what I should do, 'cause all of the things that were happening 'cause of you. So you can call me crazy, but we can stop trying, baby, please. Get rid of that disease. Giving up is easy, but don't, 'cause I am begging on my knees. Just don't go away. Is it all really worth it now?
Now here's the important part. Right here to the left of the door, you'll find a pitcher full of black sunflower seeds.
And now it seems like all is left for me.
So once you check in and get settled, I recommend that you go outside and fill the 2 feeders with the seed, one on each side of the deck. This will definitely increase your chances of seeing some of the cherry-headed conures, otherwise known as the San Francisco wild parrots.
Baby, please. Get rid of that disease.
In the hallway here, between the bedroom and the bathroom, is the thermostat. And the way it works is on the top, it says system, you hit system. And then it says heat. Right now it's off, so I'm going to hit the heat button. That turns it on. I'm going to hit done. Now the heater is on, so if I want to turn it up a little bit, I push the up button here to say 68, hit done. Now please turn the heater off when you leave. So to turn it off, I'm going to go back to system at the top and hit the off button and hit done. Thank you for choosing our Airbnb. I hope you have a comfortable stay and an amazing time in my favorite city. Subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see videos on what to do while visiting San Francisco, as well as other travel videos. Ciao for now.